SB19 is at risk of losing in the quarterfinals of Billboard Fan Army Face-Off 2025. As of August 5, 8:20 p.m., SB19 has 61.3% against Shabuzi 38.7%. And this is concerning na dapat na nating bigyang pansin bago pa tayo maungusan ng kalaban. FYI, based on this tweet, some fandoms are uniting to defeat SB19. At andyan pa ang mga fandom na wala naman sa listahan pero bumuboto sa kalaban dahil ayaw nilang manalo tayo lalo na't we are the only Asian amongst the remaining participants. Kaya ibagsak na ang mga boto, use all your email addresses and all the means to cast your votes. Kung may lalabas na you have reached the maximum votes kahit hindi pa kayo nakaboto, just close the site, clear your browsing data, use other Wi-Fi or mobile data, and or use other browsers. Whatever means necessary, basta lamang makaboto. The quarterfinals will end on August 11, 12 noon Eastern Time, kaya ibomba nyo na, widen the gap.